Today, along with our law enforcement partners, I am proud to announce the results of two large multi-state investigations undertaken as part of the Department of Justice's Organized Crime and Drug Enforcement Task Force Program, or OCDF. One investigation was led by the FBI and the Metro Violent Crimes Task Force. The other was led by the DEA. These overlapping investigations resulted in 18 indictments of 25 individuals involved in drug trafficking and firearm offenses in southwestern Idaho. According to court records, it is alleged that several of these individuals are associated with local street gangs with ties to Mexican cartels. Some of the crimes were also connected to Eastern Oregon, and one of the indictments was issued out of the District of Oregon and the U.S. Attorney's Office there, led by U.S. Attorney Natalie White. As is customary in Idaho, although these are federal cases, they would not be possible without the resources and know-how and dedication of our local law enforcement partners. The crimes we are discussing today fuel addiction and cause overdose deaths. They can lead to gun violence, and they threaten the wonderful quality of life that we enjoy in Idaho. Today, we are reaffirming our commitment and our efforts to fight back against organized drug trafficking.
The danger, the criminality that these alleged offenders bring to the table is significant. And quite frankly, so is the significance of the danger to our citizens. This threat, as I've said before, is real. It's not imagined. Your kids, your family members are at risk because of this criminality, and it's really incumbent upon each and every single one of us, not just in law enforcement, but as communities, to support the efforts of these men and women and the executive leadership you see before you today to interrupt, to dismantle these gangs, these criminal organizations with their ties to the cartels in Mexico. It's very lucrative. Make no mistake about it. It's billions of dollars, and no one wants to give that up. But the downstream effect is the damage it's causing in our streets for our citizenry. And it doesn't matter if you're what economic stage you're in, what ethnicity you're in, what gender you are. These drugs don't care. And the people who are peddling these and distributing them and the suppliers don't care. This is a battle, and we are in it for the long haul. They are as well. And so they're committed, we have to be more committed. And that's why you see such a great collaboration of state, local, and federal partnerships. This wasn't by accident, this was by design. We have been working together, we are working together, and we will continue working together to stop this threat to both the state of Idaho, Southwest Idaho, and quite frankly, the United States.